Hey everyone! In today's video, we will look at one of the most powerful and most used formulas in Excel, the if function. The if function is like Excel's way of asking a yes or no question. If something is true, do this. If it's false, do that. Super handy when you want Excel to make decisions for you. By the way, the spreadsheet I am using in this tutorial is linked in the description, so you can download it and practice along. I have set up a simple budget table. I have got categories like flights, hotel, meals, and so on. Next to that, there's a budgeted amount, the actual spend, and then an empty status column. What I want is for Excel to check if actual spending is less than or equal to the budget, then show within budget. If not, show over budget. Alright, let's fill in the status column using the if function. Instead of typing it out, I will use the FX button here on the formula bar. And in this box, I will search for if. There it is at the top. So I will press OK. Now Excel shows me three fields: logical test, value if true, value if false. This is the easiest way to understand how if works. Now let's fill these boxes one by one. First, logical test. This is the condition we are checking. I will click on the actual cell for flights. That's C2. Then type less than equal and click on the budget cell B2. So the test is actual less than or equal to budget? Next, value if true. If the test is true, meaning actual is within the budget, I want Excel to show within budget. Because this is text, I will type it inside double quotes within budget. If I forget the quotes, Excel won't recognize it as text and I will get an error. Then, value if false. If the test is false, actual is higher than budget, I will type over budget. Again, the quotes are important here. Now I will click OK. And look, for flights, the actual spend was 630, budget was 650. So Excel shows within budget. Now we don't need to repeat all those steps for every row. Excel has a quick way to copy the formula down. I will double click the fill handle at the bottom right corner of the cell to automatically copy the formula down the whole column. Now that I have filled the formula down, let's look at a few results. For hotel, actual is 1040, budget is 900. That's higher, so it shows over budget. Same thing with transport. 190 is above 180, so over budget. And if we click any of these cells and look up here in the formula bar, we can see Excel is adjusting the formula automatically for each row. This is the basic way of using if. Check a condition, show one result if it's true, another if it's false. And once you get comfortable with this, you can go further, nesting ifs, combining if with other function, and building more complex logic. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.